Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel, I Media 7. My name is Dale Vital. I am the author of Strong I Am. It's available on Amazon.com and the link is going to be in the comments section, One of the viewers asked me on a previous video to talk about what it's like growing up in Jamaica and what it's like living in Gambia, and can I provide similarities and can I provide differences? So based on the question, I am assuming that the viewer is thinking about relocating to Gambia. So I'm going to answer the question this way. In the beginning, when you first arrive in Gambia, it is better to spend reservedly. In the beginning, when you first arrive in Gambia, it is better to spend reservedly. Stay away from the nightclubs and stay away from the bars, because these places you are expected to spend big for a very short experience. The people of Gambia is Gambia. So it's better to focus your attention on the people. Learn about them, learn from them, observe them, ask them questions, because most of the times Gambians are proud to share with you their life, their history, their culture. So ask questions and focus on that more than short-term gratification and these things. That will give you a nice start in the long run, because most times when people come to Gambia, they are thinking long term, they're not thinking short term. So the beginning has to be in a manner that will facilitate the long run. Big up.